Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power sunroof, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.